Hi. Today, we will learn some more bizarre rules in the JavaScript programming language. JavaScript, as you all know, seems like a vibe-coded language. It has tons of nonsense stuff that almost makes no sense. But such stupid examples do get asked in the beginner interviews. So, we need to at least know them. So here, we have a simple HTML page. Inside the script tag, I have written the JavaScript. We are going to learn about some absolute bizarre rules about the comparison operators. Okay. See, first, we have several expressions written inside the console. We are comparing some things with null. Then, the same with undefined. Then we compare null and undefined with each other. Then some stuff with NaN. Instead of running the page in the browser and toggling every now and then, I will simply write the output here itself, and then we will understand how the output arrived. Okay. See, I have written the output near each expression. First, we have null greater than 0. The output is false. Remember one rule. If a null word gets compared using greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to operators, then, first, we need to convert null to a 0. So here, the expression becomes 0 greater than 0. That is obviously false. Okay. Then we have null double equal to 0. The output is false. The earlier rule does not apply here. That rule is only applicable when a greater or less than sign is present. So here, the null word gets compared to 0. That is obviously false. Okay. Then we have null greater than or equal to 0. As said earlier, the null word gets converted to 0 first. So the expression becomes 0 greater than or equal to 0. Which is obviously true, because 0 is equal to 0. Okay. We have the same three expressions again, but with an undefined word. Remember now. The rule that we learnt earlier is not at all applicable to the undefined word. So here, all the outputs are 0. Undefined is not greater than 0. It is not double equal to 0. Also, it is not greater than or equal to 0. All are false. Now comes the most unusual rule. Here we compare if null is double equal to undefined. It is a straightforward rule in JavaScript, and it has no explanation whatsoever. This expression will always be true. That's it. No more discussion on it. But see, if we do the triple equal to operation, then the output is false. That is because the types of null and undefined are not the same. Okay. Now imagine this. We have null double equal to undefined as true, right? But, null gets converted to 0 and undefined gets converted to NaN when numerical conversion happens. Then, this expression here, 0 double equal to NaN must be true, right? No. It is JavaScript. The output here is false. Because NaN is not equal to anything. Remember this. In fact, see here. The NaN is not equal to itself either. Welcome to JavaScript. Keep learning. Thanks for watching.